Emerson's gonna do my makeup.
All red. Because she's beautiful. And Be still. Don't laugh at anything. Because I be still. And let me wipe this stuff off. I'm the makeup girl.
You are?
Yes.
What kind of makeup are you using?
I am using this kind.
Oh, good. What brand is that?
Black and all the colors on it now.
Oh, okay.
I'm cleaning this off right now. We have a little baby in there crying. We got the TV on for him. And it's well.
Yeah. My makeup's looking really good so far.
No, it's not.
No?
No, I haven't done all of the stuff. I need to do all of it.
We just got back from the pool. Oh. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yeah, we just got back from the pool. Oh, yeah. Can you show Daddy this?
Yeah.
Can I put some on your nose?
On my nose?
Yeah.
Yeah. You think you're funny? Oh, this should be a contour video.
Do you look crazy? Wait. Don't move it. Look on the camera.
Oh, it is looking beautiful.
Look towards me. You look grumpy.
I look grumpy?
Yeah.
You gonna sit down with me? So, this is my makeup done. Oh, we don't want to see that. There's Landon. Okay, let's go get Lawson. That's ugly face. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Makeup by Emerson.
Bye-bye.